Hey, let's start a fire. Today we're going to use this 10 times magnification mirror that I found in the cosmetic section of Dollar General. Now this is actually called a tweezing mirror, but it is useful for many things. You could use this as a mirror to signal in the event that you're lost, looking for rescue. You can use it for medical purpose to get stuff out of your eyes or pick your blackheads, whatever you want to do. Or you can use this mirror to start a fire, and that's what we're going to use it for today. Also, I want to use this magnifying glass, which I found on Amazon. It's a nice little necklace. It's a 7 times magnification, and you can use this for multiple items as well. You can use this to look while you're digging out a splinter or something like that, or read, because in my case, if I lose my glasses, I can use this to read something. Or you can use this to start your fire, and that's what we're going to do with it today. Now remember, everything that you carry needs to have more than one purpose. So with this, we got 3 purposes, and with this, we got 2 so far. There's many more probably that I didn't cover, but for time's sake, that's what we got. Now, I would like to thank today's sponsor, thebugoutbunker.com, for sponsoring this video. Now, thebugoutbunker.com is a small American-owned online retail shop offering high-quality emergency preparedness and outdoor supplies. They specialize in pre-packaged bug-out bags, natural disaster preparedness kits, and just regular old camping gear. Follow the link in the description below and use the code that I've also put in the description to get a one-time 15% off all pre-packaged bug-out bags and natural disaster preparedness kits. This offer won't last long, so go ahead and check it out. Thebugoutbunker.com, survival at its fittest. As you can tell on the video, it's probably a little brighter, but we got a little opening right here in the woods. Sometimes you don't have a field or anything like that to do with solar fire, so you have to use the spaces available. But anyway, you're going to take your magnification mirror and you're going to point it towards the sun, okay? Then you're going to take your fire tender. You just focus that beam onto your fire tender. And it should not be long before you start seeing smoke. Got us a nice little breeze going, feeding some oxygen to it. And there you got a fire. That's how you start a fire with a magnification lens. Now we're going to do the same thing with a magnifying glass. We got our tinder bundle here. We got our 6 times magnification lens. And to ensure that we're going to get this thing started, I like to take a piece of char cloth, a little small piece of char cloth, and stick it inside your tinder bundle right here, and then go ahead and ignite it. Now the black helps absorb the heat, plus it almost ensures that you're going to get a good fire. So we'll go ahead and magnify that puppy on there just like that, and then once you see smoke, you have an ember. There we go. You can just blow it into flames. Now that's real quick, down and dirty, how to start a fire with a magnification mirror and a magnifying glass, or a little necklace, whatever you want to call it. Now I use the char cloth because I found that char cloth is a lot easier whenever you're using the magnifying glass or the magnifying lens, depending on how much sun you have and stuff like that. It's best to do this on a clear day in an open area. We didn't have that here in the woods, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, follow, and share. I'll see you next time. God bless you.